Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. We are observing the right hip joint from a posterior view. The large muscle Gluteus Maximus has been cut, allowing us to examine the deeper structures. One of the key structures visible is the Piriformis muscle, which originates from the greater sciatic notch and insert into the tip of the greater trochanter. Above the piriformis, we can see the superior gluteal nerve, which supplies the gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, and tensor fasciae latae. According to Gray's anatomy, the superior gluteal nerve also partially supplies the piriformis. Below the piriformis, we can see the inferior gluteal nerve, which supplies the gluteus maximus. We got a question. Muscles supplied by superior gluteal nerve are, based on our discussion, superior gluteal nerve supplies the tensor fasciae latae, piriformis, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Choose.